Today on Dirt Nation Off-Road, we're going to be hosting a Dirt Nation Takeover at one of the best beginner-friendly trails you can find in Southern California, and that is Rattlesnake Canyon. Let's get the video started with a full day of beautiful weather on an epic trail with some amazing people.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dirt Nation Off-Road. So today we are out in Rattlesnake Canyon for a Dirt Nation Takeover. Now, we haven't done a takeover in a while. It's been a good minute since we've been like, let's go out to a trail and let's jam-pack the place with lots of good Dirt Nation people and go have a fun, just go have fun for the day. It's been a while. So today we're here to run Rattlesnake Canyon, which is a trail that starts over here on the backside of Big Bear. This is over near Johnson Valley, Lucerne Valley, and then we're gonna be heading all the way up there. See, there's Big Bear and snow and all that stuff, but we're actually going this way, and then we're gonna go all the way over there. It's gonna be a good, fun run. We got a fat group with us today. A lot of newcomers, which I'm actually pretty happy about. I like seeing new people come. You guys just wanna say hi now? Oh, look at KQ. I ruined this camera lens, so you guys probably can't see them say hi, but it is what it is. Anyways, I digress. We're doing a beginner-friendly run today. This is, the trail is pretty much stock 4x4 friendly, so, good opportunity to get some new people out with us. We're always running trails. We're always doing, hard lines and doing crazy shit. So I wanted to host some more beginner-friendly runs. We've been doing a big focus on the Back to Basics series. So if you guys want to check that out, we'll have it linked down below. That's where we go into the basics and we just kind of talk about all things off-road, and we give you guys simple and logical looks at all things off-road. But check out that series. We've gone over a couple topics, and I'm gonna be putting a big focus on this year, just as a way to give back to you guys, right? Teach new off-roaders and just create more people, or just get more people out there to create memories and have fun with. But anyways, I am rambling. Let's do a walk around. We got to do a driver's meeting, and then we're gonna get started with some trailing. Let's get it.
After a short drive through the wash, the best part of the trail comes. The canyon tightens up as it gets quite a bit more rocky, and there's usually a stream going through the trail from snowmelt. Although it does get rocky, I wouldn't consider this a very difficult trail. A stock 4x4 can do this, although you gotta take your time through this section. So this section right here is one of the optional obstacles. It's a 3-foot waterfall that you go up and go down. It's a great way to flex out your suspension and kind of check for your departure angles. You know, beginners, this is a great one for you guys to try and climb, just have a little bit of fun on it, and then go from there. Now, there's a couple really good crawling trails that start off of Rattlesnake Canyon. You know, a couple examples is Motino Wash, Garden of Eden. We won't be doing those in today's video, but we do have videos on some of those trails, and we'll be running some of them in the future. Just know there's some really cool rock crawling trails around here if you guys are looking for a challenge.
Does anybody have a Kobe rod?
Quick side note, first time rock crawler here in a stock Gladiator. It is always great seeing newer people getting out there and learning the capabilities of their vehicles.
Keep coming that way. Slowly. Very good. Cool. Let me go and take a look over here. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. You're still good right now.
Okay.
That's just your skid plate.
Yeah.
That's good so far. Keep going. You're going to tap that a little bit, but that's what that little piece is for. Cool. Looking good so far, man. I would keep bringing it forward. Okay, let's... Yeah, that's all skids.
Yeah, it's all good.
Yeah. You're looking good, dude. You can keep coming.
Do you straighten it out?
No,
Like
keep.
that?
It's going to pivot you. You're going to straighten out naturally, yeah. Now you can start straightening out a little. There you go. Now go like that. Yeah, that's that stock slider. You're gonna crawl up in the rear now. There you go. You want to come down straight now. Yeah, bring it down slow because you're gonna tap the bottom of the bed coming down. So just keep it, go straight and go slow. It's all metal. You did it.
Before continuing, we did run into a little issue. This Tacoma here broke a valve stem after hitting it on a rock. All is good. We'll get them patched up and continue.
All right, guys, I think the common theme for today is tire issues because I just tore the sidewall on the Tacoma. So we'll be stopped for a second. So everyone catch up. We'll patch us up and we'll keep moving. And I didn't bring my spare today. I brought merch. That's not good.
So bad break here. I ended up shredding my sidewall on a sharp rock. So what we're going to do is attempt to do a sidewall repair with a glue tread patch that somebody had. Now this was my first time doing one of these, so maybe I did something wrong because it didn't end up working. It leaked right away and it came off as soon as I drove on it. Anyways, with all that, I'll use this as an opportunity to talk about a product that I've been reviewing for the past couple weeks because I actually used that product on this run. This is the Loki 4 5-in-1 multifunctional tool. This thing is pretty unique as it has some cool features that would be useful on the trail. Here I'm using the air compressor function as it is much quicker to set up than my big air compressor. You can use this also as a jump starter, a flashlight, a portable power station, and a pressure washer. Definitely a great tool to have. It works well as a jack of all trades for me, not doing any one thing amazing, but providing useful features when you need to get to them quickly. If you guys are interested in picking one of these up, they have a 50% sale going on. You can find it linked down below on my Amazon off-road equipment page. This has a bunch of products that I use all in one place, so you can check that out for some cool off-road gear as well as this Loki Thor tool. Let's continue.
Yeah, you know, the tire sucks and all. Yeah. But I broke my sunglasses that I've had for like 5 years.
You're still good.
Yeah, I'm kind of sad about that one. All right, we're into the Joshua trees. Today's been interesting. We're breaking glasses, we're popping tires, breaking valve stems, but we're having a great time. No complaints. I'm currently running a Bronco wheel and tire. So I guess every time I make fun of a Ford, I guess it's catching up to me now, even though there's nothing really to do with Ford versus Toyota, but saved by a Ford today. I ain't mad at that. We're all here to help each other out, so let's get it. Pulling up on everybody, finally catching up. We're gonna go take some lunch, and we're not done with the shenanigans, I'm sure. We'll see how it goes.
Today we'll be wrapping up at a small Old West town that's actually at the end of the trail. Group split up from here. Most of us walked around, checked out some of the shops, and then we headed home. Definitely a great day on the trail. We had a huge group, probably between 35 and 40 rigs, which can be concerning, but we made sure to move at a good pace and yield to others that were on the trail. I got to give a big thank you to everybody that made it out on this run. It's always great seeing new people come out with us on runs. And of course, it's always great seeing the regulars and hanging out with the homies and all of that stuff. We love hosting these runs, so it's always a good time, and we appreciate everybody that is able to make it out. Now, make sure to check out our social media pages, Instagram, Patreon, as we just posted up our next beginner-friendly run. And for more content related to beginner trails and getting started in the community, make sure to check out our Back to Basics videos where we're getting in-depth on all things off-road. Anyways, that's going to be it for this one. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you again next time.